What's good, y'all? It's your boy Topshada. You already know I'm coming with another banger. If you haven't learned by the title, we're doing something really crazy to the Supra. I kept this a secret. I ain't really tell nobody, but everybody's gonna know once I drop this video. But right now I've had a couple plans set in motion since like 2 days now. I hit my supervisor at my old job, UPS, because that's where everything's being shipped. Shout out to PSI because they got me a good deal. Brand new management, suspension, whatever you want to call it. They hooked me up, so shout out to y'all. So basically, I'm about to go ahead to UPS right now. I have my old supervisor track down all the packages so I can just come and pick it up. So what we're gonna do is gonna pack up the Supra, and then I have a really good friend who's gonna go down, take the ride with me, and drop me back, because I'm not working on air suspension. I'll leave that to the other people. So what we're gonna do is pack up the Supra. I'm gonna get these cameras going, and then we're gonna take the ride down there. I'm not sure the turnaround time on when I'm gonna get my Supra, probably like a day, but we gonna see. If y'all don't know Boston area, I'm going to my guy Lifestyle Garage, Steven, shout out to you, because we've been talking for over like 3 weeks about getting this done, and you told me even though you had 2 cars, you was gonna try to get this in. So shout out to you, my guy. I'm also link everything of him in the description below. Up and coming, y'all fuck with him. Anything bag related, car related, he can do. Interior, all that. I remember watching Eliminate's videos and TJ Hunt of them actually getting the Supra and bagging it, and I didn't have a Supra at the time, so I was just trying to get a Supra, but now I'm bagging it myself and making my own videos. So, yo, time is here. I couldn't even sleep last night. That's how bad it is, bro. I'm so excited. But yeah, yo, I ain't even tell my mom, bro. I told my mom everything. I didn't even tell her. But it is what it is. Yes, your boy, 20 years old, bag Supra, wide body in a year or two. Calling it now, wide body in a year or two. Once the car paid off and all that, I'll wide body it. But for right now, we're gonna stick to the bags, and we gonna get everything done and go pick up everything right now. So appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, subscribed. We got 300 right now, but I feel like we got 300K. So I ain't even gonna say nothing, bro. I ain't gonna say nothing. We on the come up though.
My windows tinted, they can't see me if I'm in it. Long distance, I might use it.
All the other stickers, including the Trench Boy Mafia, I just went with a tinted down look. But yeah, I think I'm digging the new banner. Yes sir, leaving my old job. Bag is secured. Said I'm missing 1 package, but to be honest, I think everything is already here. I miss working here, but I do not at the same time, if that makes sense. But the good thing I love about working at UPS actually is getting my hookups on getting my packages early. I don't have to wait for no truck driver. Normally I go track down my packages same time. So yeah, PSI air suspension with 3P management is the way we're going. So I'm on my way to the shop where I'm getting it done at, Lifestyle Garage. We got 25 minutes it says, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the ride. Yo, y'all see this Viper, bro? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this Viper. Crazy. Look at him go. That boy crazy. So I don't know if you guys remember me telling y'all that I was missing a box out of 4. Well, It's 6:30 and it finally came. So this is the actual management. I don't know who that is making all that noise up my street. But I'm gonna go use my mom's car since I already dropped off the Supra. We're gonna go take this to him so the car can get completed.
No, custom.
Yo, it's crazy.
Hello. Yep, got that right. And he just got the wagon AMG.
Yo, bagged already, bro. On TEs, bro.
Sexy.
That's a family car, bro.
Had a right hand. He had a Mugen, full Mugen bag.
Wait, is this the fucking wagon that you showed?
Type R bagged. Type R bagged, bro. SI bagged.
S2K bagged.
S2K bagged.
Daily, which is a 10th gen Accord
bagged.
Like this nigga's dream.
Huh? He just walking around.
Bro, he's just shitting on everybody, bro.
Bro, the thing is, he owns the area company, so it's like whatever you gotta bag it, bro.
That ass.
If you own an air ride company, whatever you own, you gotta bag it, nigga. If it ain't bagged, I ain't
You gotta
driving.
represent what you got.
Yeah, it's like you gotta. If you ain't gonna bag your own whip, who's gonna go buy your
Nah,
shit?
but he can
And
really.
he bagged the first.
He can wake up and be like, bro, I'm a fucking I'm gonna drive this shit.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna bag this tomorrow.
That ass though. Bro, when he posted the fucking front, I thought you were doing stars.
Yo, you see how low this shit gets though? Bagged. I didn't even sleep last night. I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
For real?
I was up till like 5 in the morning, bro. I woke up at
He's over
7.
here checking UPS. I bet Connecticut.
Nah, what happened? I used to work at UPS. So what I did, I texted her like 2 days before. I was like, yo, I need to come pick up some packages. She was like, oh, they couldn't grab that one. So I was like, fuck.
Say like right now, we got an event. I need 3 cars at the booth. My car ain't making it. His car ain't making it. Nobody's car's making it.
Go ahead.
Yo, Jordan, I need y'all whips. Like simple shit like that.
Bro, I'm down for that, bro. What?
That's like the whole
No,
shit.
you talking to, bro? I'm gonna pull up, bro. Come on now.
Cause like right now, we got that Connecticut show that I'm getting a booth at.
Which one? CTA?
When is it?
I'm gonna be there. I'm
One
already
in July,
VIP.
July 5th or some shit like
I'm
that.
already VIP.
You did?
For real?
Yo, this shit really got BMW everywhere, bro.
Fucking Toyota my ass.
It's a Toyota, bro.
Bullshit. It says BMW right there.
Well, can I change your minds real quick? So the 2JZ was originally made by BMW.
Huh?
You guys don't know that?
I hope you know. I'm starting off the video with that, bro. I ain't know that.
I bet.
He's like, I didn't know that.
I ain't know that.
The 2JZ was initially BMW's design, but they ditched it, and then Toyota and Yamaha took it over.
So you're saying
No bullshit too.
these at the side?
Yeah. So they'll sit like this.
Ooh, not bad, not bad. And tank right here?
Yeah. Tank that center manifold right where it's at.
Sure you do.
I could get it like this. It'll probably be like a little higher like that.
Shit, yo, listen. Hey, lifestyle verified. Whatever can get me verified, do you think, bro?
He said, do you think?
But nobody knows this shit but y'all. Literally, not even my mom. Damn, bro.
Hey, bro.
This is kind of pretty. Yo, they ain't give me no sweater, bro.
Hell no, they
This nigga said he sent me a sweater. That's some bullshit.
Nigga, that's how he got you to buy it, nigga.
Not even a t-shirt.
What you mean? That right there just looks fucking crazy.
Yeah.
All that red, it matches, bro. I fuck with it.
Got a Celtic.
Damn, bro, that actually kind of do look good, bro. So you prefer the red over the chrome? You actually do want that though?
I don't care.
That's up to you,
But at the
bro.
same time, we go with
Because I can literally just repaint it.
So that nigga was literally here 2 seconds
He's
ago.
literally across the street.
You know what would have been crazy if you had a roll cage in this bitch, man.
Yo, that's what I actually want to do, bro. That's that
Put the
fucking.
tank on the roll
That's
cage.
eliminate, right?
Yeah.
That's how he has it. But you know how much a roll cage is, bro?
I don't know.
Fucking $2
Nigga,
grand
women, they got money.
That's $2,000 just for the tubing.
just for the tubing, bro.
Wait, wouldn't this be better for me, Steven, if I put it on the trunk?
Yeah, because your shit's too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Go ahead, bro. I don't really care.
Can't do this up back.
Nah, I really don't care, bro. If it can help him, bro, help each other, bro.
That line's going down. But I just gotta find a way to make it clean down here type shit.
I was like,
Hang it up right. Damn, bro. Nah, y'all gonna bless for real.
I was like,
Gotta bless.
That's
Actually, yeah, you can do that, bro.
what happened?
Just have all the lines go back into
He
the
called
whip.
me, he's like, my motor blew up and
That's
oil
crazy,
went
yo.
we go.
This shit about to look fire,
This
bro.
shit's about to be crazy, bro.
Yo, as long as I get verified after this, we good, bro. I'm happy.
We're gonna hook you up. This shit's about to leave here, niggas be like, that shit was there, yeah, nigga.
Bye,
Put my
yo.
You seen the cinematic I did with the car today that I left here?
Yo, you see what I should have did is brought my fucking Type R to you. That's what I'm kind of upset
But think about it, since you didn't bring it now, you here.
What's good, y'all? So today's Friday, and your boy just got back. I had a little something I had to attend to. I'm waiting on a friend to give me a ride. Then I'm gonna go pick up the whip, and we're gonna see what it looks like from there. Alright, your boy just switched up. Got the camera ready. I got my boy Mitchell picking me up, giving me a ride. So Mitchell, shout out to you, my guy. You always come through. And so yeah, we about to head over there. Should be here any minute now. I'm too excited, bro.
Bitch, man. Hold you, bro. When I was like, yo, if I'm doing that, I gotta make sure it was good. That's why I was like, yeah, I gotta do this one.
Shit, you came up with the idea, bro. That's all. All that creativeness. I gotta sell these fucking springs.
Fucking what?
Nah, I'm tagging you and everything. I got you. There's no way, bro. I haven't seen a Supra with this fucking trunk setup, bro.
Cause you didn't come to lifestyle.
Everybody about to be at lifestyle. You heard it right here, nigga. I already know niggas about to bite this shit, so when I post it, man, y'all do what y'all gotta do.
Crazy.
My dogs.
I start the car.
Alright, bet.
Now let me know. Feels bad.
Yeah.
I'm over here like, nigga, that shit was just running. Like last night when I was running there, I ran into no fuse because I couldn't find the other fuse holder.
Yeah.
So I had to go grab one this morning. Check it on?
It's on. Oh, it was just on.
No. Let me know when it's not on.
It's on right now. Not on. On. Off.
This shit's fucking annoying.
On. Oh, never mind. It's fucking humongous. Honda don't do that type of shit. Oh, she got a fucking Pilot. Not even fucking Odyssey's got that. Yep, it just turned on.
Yeah, everything's on, right?
Yeah, it's on now.
No.
That's how it sounds. That's not bad. Yo, this nigga's tall as shit. No cap. God damn. Yo. That's the max height?
One's OD.
Front. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. But yo, you want me to air that other side up before you drop it? You want me to air that other side up before you drop it? That's that camera shit. Just adjusted this shit. That's just crazy, yo. Man, it's telling me to leave it up. The way it's looking, I don't think I want to. Huh? Nah, I know how you said to check for leaks. I'm saying the way it looks right now.
You don't want to?
Hell no. Bro, that's just like crazy, bro. You dialed in the front. Right now, I'm about to get an alignment. I'm at back to his tires. God damn, bro. That's how she look. I gotta give her a wash. But I'm probably about to end the video right here. I'm gonna do a little part 2. But yeah, y'all, this is how she look. Air it out. Stay tuned for part 2.